Lightweight camera mounts provide stability, ease of transport, and versatile positioning, essential for smooth, professional quality photography and videography. My today's video is about top 5 best lightweight camera mount that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Neewer camera mount. The ST83 Super Clamp and Magic Arm Kit is a versatile and robust solution for photographers and videographers seeking flexible mounting options. Designed for both flat surfaces and round poles, 0.6-2.4/14-60 mm, it effortlessly grips desks, tripods, handlebars, light stands, and gimbal rods, including DJI Ronin M, Ronin MX, and FreeFly Movi. Its 3"/7.62 cm Magic Arm features dual 360 degrees rotatable ball heads, allowing precise angle adjustments for optimal shooting flexibility. With easy screw knob fastening for stability, the kit supports a wide range of devices, from smartphones, 55 to 85 mm width, to action cameras, GoPros, DJI Osmo Action, Insta360, and Mevo Start. Multiple mounting points, including 1/4 inch threads, ARRI locating points, and a cold shoe mount, expand compatibility with monitors, lights, microphones, and camera cages, up to 6.6 pounds per 3.0 kilograms. Built from aluminum alloy and stainless steel with CNC precision and non-slip rubber pads, this gear ensures durability, scratch protection, and reliable support. ST83 is ideal for professional quality photography and videography, offering unmatched versatility and stability. Now our second product is Jebutu camera mount. The 22-inch Magic Arm phone mount with Super Clamp is a versatile and durable solution for professional and hobbyist content creators. Its 22-inch Magic Arm, equipped with 1/4 inch screws on both ends, allows secure attachment of video lights, ring lights, smartphones, or other accessories, making it ideal for overhead shooting, live streaming, or video recording. The innovative anti-deflection deadbolt lock design ensures stability and safety, preventing loosening or reverse deflection during use. Each joint features a dual ball head and T-type knob, allowing independent adjustment of angles and positions, providing unmatched flexibility for precise shooting setups. The Super Clamp includes rotatable red pads and black anti-slip rubber pads to firmly secure devices on desks, poles, or tripods while protecting surfaces from scratches. With 3/8 inch and 1/4 inch screw holes, it supports additional photographic accessories, microphones, and cameras. Constructed from solid aluminum alloy, this mount ensures long-lasting durability. The package includes the Magic Arm, Super Clamp, phone holder, and versatile screw adapters, offering a complete, professional-grade mounting solution. Our third product is K&F Concept camera mount. The K&F Concept 9.8-inch Magic Arm Clamp Kit is a highly versatile tool designed for photographers and videographers seeking flexibility and stability in their setups. Its multifunctional combination allows attachment of a wide range of camera accessories, enabling creative exploration from multiple angles. The 360 degrees dual ball head design ensures precise positioning, while 1/4 inch screws on both ends accommodate camera cages, flashes, microphones, webcams, DSLRs, and action cameras, including GoPro, DJI, and Insta360 devices, adapter not included. The Super Clamp's adjustable opening, 15 mm, 55 mm, allows secure mounting on poles, posts, tripods, or tables, adapting easily to surfaces of varying thicknesses. Constructed entirely from durable metal, the Magic Arm features anti-slip cushions and round rubber pads, enhancing friction while protecting devices and mounting surfaces from scratches. The knob screw system enables smooth adjustment, loosen to rotate the ball head 360 degrees and tighten to lock in position, ideal for static or mildly dynamic setups with a maximum load of 2 kilograms. This Magic Arm provides reliable, flexible support for professional quality photography and videography. Now number 4, Cacencan camera mount. The 3-section overhead camera mount is an essential tool for content creators seeking stability, flexibility, and convenience. Designed for desktop mounting, it features a 360 degrees rotatable base, 1/4 inch screw, phone holder, and ball head, allowing precise positioning for overhead shots, unboxing videos, cooking tutorials, or live streaming. The reinforced aluminum construction supports up to 5 pounds, making it compatible with DSLRs, smartphones, webcams, ring lights, projectors, and microphones. Its adjustable height, ranging from 15-inch to 25, fits compact desks and small home studios, providing optimal shooting angles without occupying excessive space. The rubber-padded C-clamp protects surfaces while securely gripping desks from 0.5-inch to 2.1 thick, ensuring stability and scratch-free mounting. Setup is quick and requires no drilling, allowing users to start recording within minutes. Lightweight and travel-friendly, this mount includes a phone holder, 1/4 inch converter screw, and 360 degrees ball head, with responsive 24-hour customer support. Ideal for YouTubers, vloggers, and online educators, it combines durability, flexibility, and ease of use in a compact package. And our last choice is Tarion camera mount. The upgraded flexible arm is a highly versatile and robust solution for photographers, videographers, and content creators seeking precision and stability. Featuring 3 individually adjustable gear joints, it offers 180 degrees inclination and 360 degrees rotation, with toothed joints that securely lock each position, ensuring maximum flexibility without compromising safety. Its resilient design supports horizontal loads up to 6.6 pounds and vertical loads up to 11 pounds, easily handling DSLRs, 19-inch ring lights, projectors, and even heavier setups, making it a true miniature crane for your workspace, constructed entirely from steel, including 1.18-inch thick tubes, joint casings, and the table clamp. The arm guarantees long-lasting stability and durability. The 360 degrees ball head with a 1/4 inch screw accommodates standard cameras and lights, while the built-in 3/8 inch thread supports heavier rigs like cinema cameras or shotgun microphones. Tool-free swapping between threads allows seamless multi-device setups. Its horizontal and vertical mounting capability makes it ideal for overhead shots, creative angles, and demanding lighting setups, providing unmatched versatility for professional and home studios alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.